Today is the day you finally get the perfect camping rug for you. I've spent years buying camping rugs that almost worked. I wanted something that was the exact right size, and that's not standard rug sizes that you find. I also wanted something that was really durable and machine washable and matched my campsite. And it also needed to be usable for something as more than just a rug. And I couldn't find that in any store. So I made it. And because you asked me, I'm going to show you how to make 2 different versions of this ridiculously easy to make camping rug so that you have the perfect rug for you. One takes only an hour and the other rug takes a little bit longer, but you can make it any size that you want. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this rug for free. I'm Kara Schultz, author of A Field Guide to Luxury Tent Camping. And here on this channel, we make campsites that are uniquely yours, functional, and very comfortable. Before I show you how to make the rug, let me tell you what a camping rug should do at a minimum. It should trap dirt to keep it from getting in your tent or in your car camper. It should protect your feet from sharp rocks or glass or things like that. And it should also keep biting bugs down. But I am done accepting the minimum or almost good enough, and maybe you are too. I needed a 9x9 rug, not a 5x7 and not an 8x12, and here is why. I needed this 9x9 rug because it fits perfectly under my 10x10 canopy and does not interfere with where I stake down the legs. And in my tent, it's wide enough that each cot can have their legs down on it. So when someone gets up, it's not a tripping hazard. No one catches a toe. And my smaller rug is a 4.5x3, and it is the perfect size as like a drop zone or a nice little area in front of my tent or in front of my car camper. And because I use Sunbrella fabric, both of them are reversible, they're machine washable, and they're extremely durable. I have had this one for over 10 years, and I have beat the heck out of it. It has come home black. I've thrown it in the washer and she's come out perfect. It comes in enough colors and patterns that you can create exactly the look you want. I used my design board to help me pick the fabrics that would work for my campsite. And if you want a quick way to get your design board, I do have a free PDF planner that will walk you through that. And I put the link in the description. So this version is based on the width of a roll of Sunbrella fabric, which is 55 inches. So there's no real complicated measurements. This one is really, really easy. Really, it should only take you about an hour to make this sucker. And if you've never sewn before, don't let that stop you, because if you can run a saw or drive a car or even draw a line, you can sew. And if you don't have a sewing machine, don't worry about it. For this little guy, you could hand sew it. First step is to get 2 pieces of fabric the same length, and that's going to be your finished rug length. Sunbrella comes in 55 inches wide, but you can make it any length you want. You'll place the good sides together, and then you're going to just pin around the perimeter. Next, you'll sew around the edge, but you're going to leave a 6-inch opening. And then turn the rug right side out. Sew that opening closed. And then you're going to sew another line around the rug very close to the edge. Then you'll move in about 2 inches from that and sew around it again. This is going to help the rug to lay flat, and that is it. And you now have a reversible camping rug. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how one of you, if you live in the contiguous US, can get this for free. So what's one piece of your camping gear that works kind of like fine-ish, but not really? Let me know in the comments and maybe we can work on it together. This second version is going to take you about 3 to 4 hours. It is a little more bulky and so a little more challenging, but still very straightforward, and you can make it any size you want. First step is to decide the size of your rug and then how you're going to piece together fabric to make it that size. Now I use striped fabric, so I just needed 4 pieces of 3 yards of fabric each to make a 9x9 rug. But you can do contrasting borders or however you want to do it. Next, you'll pin those sections together with the good sides facing together, those little panels. Sew those panels together so that you have 2 rug faces that are now the finished dimensions that you want. And next, place the completed rug faces together with the good sides inward again. For something this big, you can lay it on the ground to pin it together, and I do suggest you do that. Next, you'll sew around the edge, but this time you're going to leave a 2-foot opening because you got a lot of fabric going on here. And just like the smaller rug, you're going to turn the rug right side out and then close the opening. Sew a line around the perimeter right near the edge, and then you're going to go in about 2 inches from that and sew another line. And then you're going to want to do at least one more. And I put that one in 6 inches. And each time you go around, it's way easier to sew. And now you have a rug that is the exact size your campsite needs. So if there's one thing I'd like you to take away from this video, it's not learning to sew or anything about camping rugs. It's this: stop accepting almost good enough and look at this more as a process. Start asking yourself, what do I need this item to do? Not what's available out there to buy. And that shift works for everything with your campsite, your camp kitchen, your sleep system, really everything. That's the mind shift I want you to get into. And now we get to how you can own this rug. So if you do want this rug, leave a comment that says, I want that rug. And you can put other things in the comments too, but make sure you put that. And I will select one of you at random, and then I will announce that winner in my next video. And if you live in the continental US, then I will get this shipped out to you. And until then, happy camping.